Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So today's Thursday, so we're going to talk a little bit about psychology. On Mondays and Thursdays we do that. And then we'll have a look at what has happened during the day. It's been a fantastic day. And after that we'll have a look at what to expect for tomorrow. So come, let's have a conversation about a little bit of psychology. So today we're going to talk about something especially for traders and investors, for active traders and investors. So it's something known as what do you do once a trade is taken or once you've done an investment. So you know your risk, you know your stop loss, you know your targets. Maybe your targets are profit targets, or they can be like a trailing stop methodology, or they can be any types of exit signals. So you know your stop losses, you know your exit signals. What do you do in between? Because most of the people that I know who are new to the market, they tend to watch the screen continuously. As if उनको लगता है कि उनके देखने से ऊपर या नीचे हो रहा है मार्केट. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. Once you've taken a trade, once you've put your stop losses in, once you know what your exit signals are, आप ट्रेड देखने से क्या होने वाला है? ओके, आप टाइम पास के लिए तो देख सकते हैं कि हाँ ऊपर नीचे है या, बट इट शुडंट इम्पैक्ट योर ओवरऑल डिसीजन मेकिंग कि अभी मार्केट क्या कर रहा है, बीच में क्या कर रहा है. फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए to point B, it has to go. It's not going to go in a straight line, is it? वो ऐसे ऊपर नीचे कैसे भी करके चला जाएगा. आपको क्या लेना देना है आपका कि वो कैसे जाए. As long as it goes there are two scenarios. One, you can take a loss, other is going to be profitable. If you have accepted that in your mind, आपको बीच में देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. And people who are new to trading or who have like a itchy finger in trading, they should not see the screen often, because they'll feel like taking a trade, which they shouldn't do at all. So now let's have a look at what has happened during the day and why I'm telling it's a fantastic day. So today market gapped up and it went up higher, and we talked about this scenario where we would want a gap up, break of the previous day high, a pivot, and then a breakout. This didn't happen. On the downside, we were waiting for our lows to be broken. That didn't happen either. It's been a fantastic day. Why am I telling this has been a fantastic day? Because the last 3 days, Bank Nifty has done nothing. उसका मतलब क्या है? उसका मतलब ये है कि बॉस एक बड़ा दिन आने वाला है. It can be on the downside or the upside. You should be mentally ready that a big day is going to come. Possibly a trending day. If it's on the upside, it would be better. Even on the downside would be fine, as long as we can plan for it. So it's been very, very choppy, very, very sideways, very, very easy to not trade. So let's have a view for tomorrow. On an hourly chart, I'm going to go to an hourly chart. Now price has started sustaining above the 50 moving average. It is still not out of the woods because it has not broken this pivot convincingly. So, but overall 3 days it has been slowly going on the upside. Now what I want to see is some kind of momentum on the upside. What do I mean by that? This hurdle that is there, this hurdle. What I would want price to do is go above this hurdle do a 3-minute pivot and then break out. That would be a good setup. On the downside, I'm a bit confused because I don't want to aggressively short this market because the overall market, the Nifty and the small caps are recovering quite well. So if I have to short this market, I would actually wait for a gap down of some kind. Gap down here on some news or something, and then start breaking the lows. But I would specifically wait for a 3-minute pivot here. On both sides, I would want a 3-minute pivot because we are still very choppy and we are still in saving capital mode. Like the capital has been saved here, on this day, and on this day. And we want to continue to do that until we get a big trade. So, I would like to tell you something. The market has started recovering, right? Does that mean it has bottomed? I don't know, might have. But for what one should do, or for a long-term trader or an investor, what you should do, have a look at the last 3 weekend videos that I've done. It'll help you in thinking about what is to be done in the upcoming weeks and upcoming months. Chalo, bye. See you tomorrow.